What if you could capture breathtaking cinematic footage, explore impossible angles, and see the world from a perspective most people only dream of? The drone technology of 2026 has made that dream more accessible and more impressive than ever before. Whether you are a complete beginner looking for your first flyer, a content creator obsessed with vertical video, or a licensed professional needing industrial-grade gear, we have tested the top contenders to bring you the definitive ranking of the best drones you can buy right now. From ultralight wonders to 360-degree cameras and high-speed racers, we are covering the machines that are redefining aerial creativity. Stick around to find out which one is the perfect match for your sky-high ambitions. All the buy links for these incredible drones are waiting for you in the description below, so make sure to check them out. And if you are ready to take flight, hit that like button, share this with a fellow aviation enthusiast, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Starting at number 1, the DJI Air 3S stands out as the absolute best dual-lens drone on the market, thanks to its incredibly versatile twin-camera system that makes it a powerhouse for both video and photography. Its quad-Bayer camera setup features a wide-angle lens perfect for sweeping landscapes, plus a short telephoto lens that is excellent for detailed inspections and real estate work, both of which record stunning 10-bit video in SDR, HDR, or D-Log, and capture stills in JPG or DNG format. It is safe for beginners thanks to its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, impressive 45-minute battery life, and automated quick-shot flight paths, while professionals will appreciate its remote ID and waypoint support. It is heavy enough to require FAA registration, but easily stows in a small shoulder bag so you can take it on location. For content creators, the Air 3S records at up to 4K 60 and delivers excellent picture quality that is more than enough for YouTube, social media, and even indie film projects, and its all-round obstacle sensors let you focus on your camera work without worrying about crashing. Moving on to number 2, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the most capable ultralight drones available, only surpassed by the newer Mini 5 Pro, and it earns its spot as the best small drone with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Weighing just 249 grams with its standard battery, which gives you around 34 minutes of flight time, you do not have to register it with the FAA, making it incredibly convenient for casual flyers. Creators who do not mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, which extends flight time beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad-Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the impressive feature set, and I especially like the APAS function that helps the drone navigate complex spaces on its own, even at low altitudes. The Mini 4 Pro's dual-aspect camera rotates and swaps between widescreen and vertical formats, making it an ideal drone for content creators who want to capture video for both a YouTube channel and a TikTok or Instagram Reels feed, and it is exceptionally easy and safe to fly, so you do not have to be an expert to get good results. I highly recommend the Mini 4 Pro for beginners because of its 360-degree obstacle sensors, long-lasting battery, and lack of FAA registration, but it also gives you room to grow, as its video engine is good enough to satisfy expert-level editors and it has remote ID when used with the extended run battery. Next up, we have the DJI Avata 360, which takes the crown for the best 360-degree camera drone, and it is the first dual-lens, 360-degree camera drone from DJI. Its camera system captures the entire world around it in 8K quality and supports single-lens 4K recording, giving you the flexibility to record 360 footage for shots where you want to reframe with pans and little planet effects using the DJI Studio editing app, or in standard 16:9 for scenes where you just want a traditional aerial shot. The Avata works with either a handheld remote with a built-in display or a headset with a one-handed motion controller, making it more flexible than similar competitors that only record in 360 degrees and offer just one remote control option. For beginners, the Avata 360 includes reliable GPS, flies confidently on breezy days, and includes obstacle detection and avoidance, so it is a safe and easy drone for creators just getting started with aerial capture, though it weighs about a pound, so you will need to register it with the FAA. Coming in at number 4, the DJI Mini 3 is the best budget drone for vertical video, and it remains one of the better entry-level drones available today. Its camera is excellent, supporting 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as a 60-degree upward tilt, while photo quality is also good with 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, and the f1.7 optics do a great job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, find my drone, and return to home, and with a 249-gram takeoff weight, you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We appreciate the 38-minute flight times, although we do wish DJI had incorporated obstacle detection into this model. For recreational flyers, the Mini 3 is a good choice for those who fly for fun, as its integrated GPS keeps it steady in the air and supports return to home, though it omits optical avoidance. Content creators who want to make videos for both YouTube and TikTok will love that the 4K 30 camera switches between widescreen and vertical aspects on the fly, allowing you to grab wide and tall clips during the same flight. And finally, rounding out our list at number 5 is the DJI Avata 2, the undisputed best racing drone for thrill seekers who want an immersive first-person view experience. This FPV drone displays the camera view through a set of low-latency VR goggles with head tracking, while its Type 1/1.3 nose-mounted camera records at 4K 60 and its motion-sensitive remote supports exhilarating 30-mile-per-hour flight. Built-in prop guards keep it flying after minor bumps, downward-facing sensors enable low-to-the-ground flights, and an upgraded battery provides up to 23 minutes of operating time between charges. And there you have it, the top 5 drones of 2026, ready to elevate your aerial photography and flying adventures. Whether you are after the professional-grade versatility of the DJI Air 3S, the ultralight convenience of the Mini 4 Pro, or the immersive thrill of the Avata 2, there is a perfect match here for every pilot and every budget. We have included all the direct buy links in the description below, so you can grab your favorite and take to the skies right now. If this guide helped you make a decision, please do us a huge favor, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who is ready to get into drones, and subscribe to the channel for more honest and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!